just don't want to get behind. So I'm trying to stay really ahead of the game here. I'm so pissed. Like, I'm just really angry at that.
Are you guys gluing and screwing?
Gluing and screwing. Just screw the screw. Oh shit.
What? We should have been gluing.
We should have been gluing.
It's just making a joke.
Like, it's not the worst thing in the world. We can just unscrew, loosen it off, and like squeeze glue in.
Got it. Okay.
But maybe from now on, let's.
Got it. We're sistering the joists in the ceiling. So as you can see, we're putting another strip of wood against the joists that currently exist.
I think it's gonna probably go to Dylan since he's gonna project manage, and then I'll just kind of be the overseer of what happens.
It's in the garage, isn't it?
But there's no access to the garage. Like the key for the house doesn't.
Did you call the
work on
client?
garage. I texted the client. Remember, she said she's gonna be away and we'll only have access like every couple hours.
When stuff like that happens, you gotta phone the client. You need an immediate response, and sometimes people take too long texting. Last thing you want is the plumber to walk off site. You want them to do their job then, so you don't have to waste another day, because now we're wasting a day at Powder Millway. Because we can't do any of our work until that bathtub in the toilet. Until that bathtub.
This is all of it?
Yeah.
Is there any more anywhere?
No. Downstairs not being finished.
Not being finished?
Okay.
Okay, so you
Got
can
it
have
over
stairs
there?
down
Okay. So what should we do?
There's
Just
one
build a
plug in.
temporary
No,
set?
that's this one.
Yep.
Plug that one
there.
in.
Your report,
Okay. Will that be sufficient enough? Beautiful.
okay? Put the other, okay?
Okay. I'll get the stairs done right away.
Okay.
We passed. We totally passed. We're able to board, so we're gonna knock these boards down hopefully today. Get the installation in depending on how much time we have, which means an entire 2-story project would have only taken us 6 weeks. Just don't want to get behind. So I'm trying to stay really ahead of the game here. Don't stop working, guys. Let's go. There's hardwood going over top, and you shouldn't put hardwood directly over original planks. This offers like a base for the floor to sit on. Also, it helps with durability and longevity because you're creating a very strong layer between the planks. And the planks will move and they have separations in them. This way, covering the ground tenfold. Now we use 3-inch screws so that we can go through the plywood, through the plank, and into the joist. If you don't hit the joist underneath, you'll only hit the planks, and it'll cause movement in the plywood and eventually cause your floors to separate. This way, you know that they're secured into a stationary object, which is the joist. Now, this is an exact way of what not to wear when you're doing work.
Because of the butt crack or?
Well, the butt crack, the shorts, no safety mask, no safety goggles, no gloves. This is exactly what I tell the crew not to wear while on site. Right?
Laugh in the face of danger. Huh?
Right now, what is your main priority? So you gotta think project manager,
Okay.
not office manager.
Okay.
You have to remove yourself from what you're used to and place yourself into new territory.
Okay.
Full background. I think my biggest worry is not being able to know. Like I don't have the construction background as much as some of the other people might have.
But
The
she has
proper
17 years of experience in your job.
Yeah, or like 17 minutes. That's like my biggest worry is what I might not know is the things that I haven't been taught yet.
Yeah.
Like when we were at the bathroom yesterday, she was talking about how something needed backing or it needed studs. I never would have known that that needed to happen.
You're the project manager. If you need hands or people to go ask questions, you call the office manager to do that.
Right now I'm texting Lindell to ask him to remove that thing. What am I missing?
This piece needs to be cut. I'm scared to put pressure though, because if I fall and break my vagina on the
What was that last year they did that?
I don't want to pull one of our girls was doing a subfloor, and one of them wasn't nailed down. She stepped on it and it moved, and she fell through the floor and hit her vag on a joist. Fell like a fork on the joist, and she had to go to the hospital. She had to go to the hospital.
So bad.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Gotta
need to have
either bring on the
Sarah
rest
tell
or
them.
no?
Okay. So what?
Well, bye.
Why didn't the inspector want to go down here? It's so safe.
Secure.